Hey, what's up, internet? Welcome to today's video. My name is Felix.
Your name?
Lollipop.
Y yo soy Rocío.
Alright, and today Rosie wants to do the peel off mask.
Ha!
Ha! Alright guys, so this is the peel off mask right here that Rosie's gonna wear. It says that supposedly it detoxifies and cleanses the skin, purifies and moisturizes.
Hi, I name is
And
Ivana.
supposedly it's a gentle peel off mask.
Excuse me.
What's up? For all skin type.
I want to tell something. Hi, my name is Ivana. I got my lot of toys. So cute, mommy. She's so cute.
Yo pienso que así puedes.
Don't be really crazy. Don't be really
De
crazy.
allí nomás métele la brocha.
I want to do it for my mom.
Okay.
Alright guys, so I went ahead and poured the stuff in this little bowl thingy.
Oh, thank you.
And we're gonna brush it on Rosie's face right now. Alright, so here we go.
Hey, Ivana, do it first. And then
You wanna try it first, Ivana?
Yeah.
Oh, like this, mira, eh? Watch, lo voltea para allá. Oh yeah, you just brush it on. Here, on.
spray my face.
Ivana's gonna do it. Go.
Échale,
Just don't,
échale.
not in the ojos, right? Right here in the cheeks.
I think it's getting really, really.
Don't do that. Just put it.
Huh.
Oh, there she. Come on.
Do this, right? Alright guys, so we already finished applying the stuff on Rosie and
It has to get dry, no?
yeah, supposedly now you have to wait like, I don't know, somewhere right between 15 to 20 minutes.
To get it
But,
dry.
right now it looks all shiny. I guess when it's done, it actually turns like a flat black. Like I said, right now it's kind of shiny. Alright guys, so yeah, it's already been, man, it's been like, I don't know,
More
like
than 20 minutes.
more than 20 minutes. Rosie's like talking like this. So what are you gonna do now?
Take it up.
It looks all shiny, guys. I thought it was gonna be all like flat, like with no gloss. It was just gonna be like a flat black, like a dried out black. But I guess not. Go ahead and try it. I don't know. No, but I don't know. You try it. Your face, you rip it off.
You hear?
Pule.
No, you! Yes, silly with that!
Pule.
Wait.
Pule.
It's okay. It won't be able to fight.
Pule.
Let's see you when you know. Where?
Jálale, jálale, ahorita ya estoy.
What are you doing like that? You done it. Now you look really great.
Ya está mi llorar. Ya bye.
My little get stronger.
Enséñalo aquí en la cámara. Enséñalo.
It hurts?
Enséñalo aquí a la cámara este.
Does it hurt?
Me jala todos los pelos. A ver. Vamos a mirar cuántos pelos me sacó. Mira. Mira.
So how do you
Sí
feel?
sirve. Siento que me sacó así. Sí sirve, mira. Mira todos los pelos. Hasta los pelos le salieron.
Hey.
¿Le vas a mandar saludos a alguien?
Yeah. Just real quick, guys. I have a couple of YouTube sponsors now. Pretty much all these people are from work.
Ivana.
And I just want to pretty much say thank you to everybody. I want a special thank you to Ivan, Ubaldo,
That
Umar,
hurt?
Balassi, Alexis, Anthony, Vanessa, Elizabeth, Danny, Marta, Angel, Delfino, and Jesse. And a special shout out to George for the win. Alright guys, well that's pretty much the end of this video. ¿Cómo te sientes, Rosy?
Ay, te siento que se me salió todos los pelitos de la cara.
Yeah?
Sí.
But how does your face feel like? Does it work or what?
Sí, sí siento que estoy bien.
Alright.
Mom, what you got pelos on your cheek?
Alright guys, well that's the end of this video. And Rosie, she did her face thing and she says it's okay. ¿Está bien o what?
Sí.
Okay, cool. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe, blah, 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 and I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you, everybody.
Peace.